How to delete quarantine files in Malwarebytes. So first things first, if you haven't downloaded this client yet, all you have to do is just go directly into malwarebytes.com's official website, and in here you will always have an option to download them for free. You could also get this via App Store and via Google Play. Let's head to it and open up your Malwarebytes client, and this is going to be your dashboard interface. So you should be able to see scanner, detection history, real-time protection. What you want to go to is under detection history. So from here, you will only have quarantine items, allow list, history, and detection overview. For you to go into your quarantine files, just head over into quarantine items. And then this is where all your quarantine files will show up. For you to be able to delete them, all you have to do is to select the necessary files that you would like it to be deleted and just simply hit on this delete button right here. And if you want them to be restored, just also do the same thing, just simply click on restore button. And that is how you delete quarantine files in Malwarebytes.